Welcome everybody back to Boost Motion, guys, and today I gotta talk about it. I'm late to it. We have another 800 wheel horsepower stock block, stock transmission Q50, Q60, Vr30. Guys, let's go. Let's jump into the video. First thing, shout out to my whole Boost Motion family. Much love. I appreciate you guys for your support. Into this video today, I want to shout out a person that I spoke to years ago on this channel, Mike Mixon, and the owner of Dropbear LLC. Now, you guys might have seen his video talking about his turbo kits a long time ago. Definitely check out my channel. And I think I need to bring back the Boost podcast. That's what it used to be called, but I still have it here. Anyways, so Mike Mixon was developing a turbo kit for the Vr30, and a lot of people really liked it. But because it was expensive and he didn't really get everything to come to terms. Well, he got everything to come to terms. All the kinks is out. And this is not a Bonnie and Clyde type of situation. So let me quickly show you some videos and what the kit will be coming with. So let me just do a swift clip right here. Hit it. Hit it. You saw the guy's face? He was like, oh, shoot. Let's see what it made. Nice. Nice grab. All right, so everyone who doesn't see, I'm going to quickly read some of the information, and I'm going to go to his a little bit more detailed information on it. So, wanted to share the Dropbear twin turbo Dropbear kit, twin turbo kit, put it in some work the other day. Thanks to Underland Performance, ECU Tech, and the guys at Racebox, shout out to Hussein and Alex, for all their help. The car put down 801 all-wheel drive wheel horsepower and 642 pounds of torque at 25 psi on E50 on stock motor and stock trans. While this is an impressive number, this isn't the daily setup. This car is running low 700s while we build the motor and transmission. What is impressive is not only the power delivery, but also the efficiency of the kit. We are still in a high efficiency island of the turbos and have a lot more room to grow. We are super excited and will be officially offering the kit for sale here soon. Until then, enjoy the short dyno run. Now, let me go to a little bit more information from Dropbear LLC. Bear with me, guys. So let me click on this. All right. Now, it should say what the kit is going to include. Okay, so this kit if you look at that tool, that's a nice chunky. That kept torque low at 600s, guys, because it's a stock transmission. So you would want to build the transmission if you want to change some of the timing so the car can have more torque. Also, that is a nice big jump there to that 800 wheel. And like you said, the efficiency zone, this turbos have probably a lot more headroom to go. They just gonna, have to build a motor, rods and pistons. But for this block to run this well on stock heads, gotta give them that. So I know you guys looking the prices. The price, Vr30 twin turbo 800R package starting at $18,000. Woo! Oh Lord! All right, that's a lot. I know you guys are mad at it. You're thinking, oh my God, this is expensive. But let me go through the package and let's break it down. So this package includes the twin G25 550 turbo kit by Dropbear installed by Underland Performance. So this price would also include you shipping your car, or you're taking your car to this specific place so they can install the kit for you. And tuning will be included from Racebox. So this is a one-stop shop pretty much. You drop your car off there, you pick up your car with 800 wheel plus, right? And everything's taken care of. And the good thing about having one tuner do it is because, they already know where to start with the car and all the hiccups. So if there's ever any issue, the tuner exactly will know what to do to make the necessary fix. We're offering the kit as a complete package for one-stop shop, as I just said. 800R kit, a complete full-frame factory location turbo kit with raised 3-inch non-catted downpipes installed professionally with our partner Underland Performance. Gary G25 0.728 yard turbos. Your power journey starts with 500 wheel horsepower and goes up from there. proven to easily make 800 wheel at 25 psi, and 25 psi isn't really that bad, guys. It's not really that hard. Like these turbos only delivering 25 psi. I mean, so 25 psi is pretty much how much is flowing, but they can up the boost even more if they really wanted to, but they're not. They can go hard. A good for 900 horsepower with supporting mods. Let this be your final choice in turbo. That's nice. That's a nice pitch. I appreciate that, Mike. Credits. So that's why you get the credit, the $500 credit towards the tuning, or you could bring your own tuner, which will be a $1,700 credit. I guess that's what they're saying here. Options, you can get this as ceramic coated, powder coating available. Fuel system now. So fuel system, we have simplified what is needed for big power. Wanting 800, 900 horsepower, we have a Dropbear pumps and injector packages starting at $3,000, $4,000 option. Now, I know you guys just realized what I just sat there and said. So the kit installed with the tuner from reading right with everything is done is going to be 18 grand. But then on top of that, of course, you're not going to make 800 wheel on this setup. So you have to buy the fueling system. So he said the pumps and the injector is going to cost another $4,000. Woo! Oh, Lord. That's like another Vr30. I'm just saying, I know that's scaring you guys. Now, street downpipes, of course, for EPA certified downpipes using 800 horsepower rated Gessie catalytic converters. That's another $1,700 option upgrade. Woo! So this is if you live in like New York State or any state that checks to see if you have a catalytic converter. This is your way around it. And install services. Have other mods you want to install. Underland Performance is offering a discounted rate for all customers. Ask for more details. Now, woo! If I'm reading this correct, maybe I'll get Mike Mixon back on the channel so he can break down all the new information that what he learned over the years for building this kit. But remember, guys, this is a OEM condition kit. This isn't anything JB welded in anyone's garage. No BNC type of nonsense. Sorry, John, if you're watching, but that's what you did, and it didn't work well. But this is stuff done right, and that's why it's expensive. And they have Garrett actual turbos, not Chinese turbos or anything like that. Yeah, this kit is not for regular people. I'm sorry, it's not. This kit is for people who want to buy a product that will deliver the horsepower they're needing. Like this kit, remember these turbos, 550s, depends on how much horsepower each turbo flow. But I think these turbos could go up. I think these turbos, each turbo is almost rated for almost 900 to 1,000 horsepower. Could be wrong. I gotta double check that. Well, it's 550s, but I think that's rated for 700 to 800 horsepower, somewhere around there each turbo. I can't remember. I remember I read it like 2 years ago. It's been a minute, so my mind is foggy. But this is for somebody who got a built motor, built trans already, and Z1s are just too small. They want something that's going to touch the 4 digits. And this turbo kit is exact and still have factory everything. Like everything done like factory. This is what this is for. This is for the big wigs. This is for the big dogs. So, yeah. yeah. Let me just go through the comments because I know there must be a couple of people complaining in the comments about how much it costs. So just bear with me. I want to take a look at it. We got Monsef. He's the owner of damn, I forgot the name of his tuning company. It's been a minute, but y'all guys know Monsef, okay? Complaining about the prices when it includes Garrett turbos and engine out install is massively feminine. Oh man, you take a firm. Let's see. We are looking into B and LP options. Okay, damn limited or firm to $67. Let's see some pics of the engine bay. Okay. So he also has the intercoolers here. This is Dropbear intercoolers that you can choose to buy too. And you can also put an optional blower valve on top of it too. And I think these are triple pass air to water intercoolers. So understand there's also probably the maximum amount of cooling on the stock motor too. So you're going to have to spend money on other cooling options too to make sure that you get the proper amount of heat management for the vehicle. Let me click that off. Let me see what other comments here. Dang, all that I want is a loyal customer to have access to some full frame Garretts. Just like so many other options, thousands of people can't buy a product because they won't let anyone else touch their car. If the kit was available to these people, how much would it cost? Okay. $13,000 for the kit. So he said if you wanted to buy this kit alone by itself, $13,000. And then he'll actually show the pics of Mike shows the pics of the exhaust manifold and how they have it CNC'd and everything done. Welded. I'm not welded, but that's the exhaust manifold that you'll bolt up to the side of the block. And he actually goes through all the pictures thoroughly on how everything is done. I love this. This is actually beautiful. I love this. Too rich for my blood. Yeah, okay. So I'm not gonna go too much in here. Someone said you lost me on Racebox. Racebox is a great tool. Stop playing. So I'm gonna bring it to an end here by sitting there saying it like this. This is my conclusion, and hopefully I get Mike back on the channel. Maybe I need to get back into this YouTube thing. I really do. I just need to get back into cars. That's just what it necessarily is. I need to get back into cars. So this is what I want to say. All right. First thing, shout out to Mike Mixon for coming out with a great product, something that's gonna have OEM installation, and honestly, it's gonna. But my personal opinion is this. These are options, guys. This kit is not made for like the average person that's just trying to have a stock transmission car. No. We are now years later where you have options from the smallest turbos where you can make like 600 wheel, 600 wheel. Then you have the pure 6 to close to 7, and now close to 7. I still think pure is like a good 600 wheel. That's where pure should be, just good 600 wheel on E. Then you have Z1s that give you 700 pure on that, and then now you have these at 800, and of course the prices are going to go up. So understanding these are for the big dogs. These are not, like luxury goods. Luxury goods are not supposed to be sold like pennies on a dollar. Like luxury goods they make a small amount and people will pay the extra price for the exclusivity of it and or what it delivers or the performance. In this case, this is for someone, like as I said, who is going to be a big dog doing big dog stuff, and they're going to spend the money. The kit's only $12,000 to make probably over 1,000 wheel and have everything OEM fit. You can't beat that R&D behind that. So I could see why you got to collect. And these turbos are not cheap. Like Garrett Garrett G25 550 turbos are not cheap. You can't pick them up for $1,000. Not that cheap. So shout out to Mike Mixon for doing this. And I could just see though why there will be some points of contention. But guys, when you're building a motor, you're going to spend a lot of money on this stuff. It's going to cost money to get these results. Yeah, Z1 gives you the turbos. You have to still drop money in the fuel system. You still have to drop money on cooling, and then a Z1 turbo strapped in, and you make 700 wheel. Yes, I got it. Like that's like $5,000 for the turbos. Okay, cool, I get it. But you can't compare like Z1 turbos, which are OEM fit. Once again, OEM fit turbos. Compared to something like this. This is supposed to be somebody who wants to go bigger. Not saying Z1 probably can't make some ones that can compete or whatever, but Mike Mixon and Dropbear is a very small company. But a company like Z1 Motorsports has so much money behind it, or AMS Performance, so much money behind it that they can deliver. They can put the R&D and try new things. But someone on a small budget like Dropbear, yeah, they might not be able to do it, but if more people get involved and invest more into these companies, you never know. Dropbear might be a big company like AMS or Z1, and they can definitely make even more products. You know what I'm saying? So always support the little guys. So outside of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. And I want to say it too. He just proved to you, if you just got to get the pretty much the biggest high pressure fuel pump, fueling system, and technically you can run your stock motor transmission, Vr30 at like 700 wheel on turbos that have way more headroom. So you might not have the money now, but then you might choose to build a separate block or transmission later on the line. You never know. And also, we still don't know what a stock motor really is at because he still did this on stock trans and he was trying to save it. So we don't know. We got to wait till we get there. Anyways, outside of that, guys, you have good morning, good afternoon, night. I really appreciate you guys for always showing your support once again. And, yeah. I really appreciate you guys. Take care.